Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I'm going to give you a suggestion how you can fix search bar not working problem in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So if you can see, if you have Windows 11 and you already have this search bar on your desktop, so this search bar is not working, then in that case you have to do to fix this issue. The process is really simple. You just need to click on anywhere in this bottom bar, just click over here and click on task manager. Once you click over here, now you will get many options over that place. So Google Chrome, you can see which applications are running on the background. So if you get these options, so just click over here, and once you click over here, you need to be select Windows Explorer. And always remember, when you are fixing this problem, you need to be open this application Windows Explorer. Then once you open it, you just need to be select it from task manager option. Once you select it, you just need to click on reset task. When you click it, the program will be reset by its own and the problem will be overcome. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand how you are going to fix your problem in your future. So if you think this video was helpful and knowledgeable, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.